Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to talk about a hair product known as NovaHair that is getting famous due to its instant hair coloring properties. According to its website, it is a hair shampoo, and after using it, you can notice a significant reduction in gray hair in just 10 minutes. The brand tagline of NovaHair also says that thin, gray stops here. Its website also claims that NovaHair is made of completely natural ingredients that will not harm anyone's hair. Its one bottle lasts up to 12 applications. However, before delving into these claims, let's take a look at some of the drawbacks and positives we found on the product and the platform in our research. The first positive about NovaHair is its well-designed official website. Its website provides all the information about the product and is easy to navigate too. The second positive we found is that it is available on famous marketplaces like Amazon. Being on Amazon means that the sellers are serious about their sales. Other positives include genuine contact support as the phone number, and email are listed on the website in case of potential disputes with products, and the headquarters address is also available on the website. Telling about your whereabouts increases public trust. Now, let us see the flip side of the coin. The lack of genuine testimonials is one big drawback of NovaHair because on Amazon, we found only one review of this product, which is not enough to judge thoroughly. Plus, reviews say nothing extensive about that product as well. Despite having no reviews about the platform and the product, its website boasts a solid rating for its product, but that is yet to be verified and confirmed. These are some of the major concerns. Now, the question might come to your mind whether to use it or not. See, it is entirely up to you if you want to purchase this product or not, but keep potential risks in mind since this product has both pros and cons that we have already highlighted. Thanks for watching our full video. Subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any updates on such kinds of hair or health products.